Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to fix IDM, Internet Download Manager, when it's not working on YouTube, updated for 2025. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of IDM installed. Visit the official IDM website and update if needed. Step 2. Check if the IDM integration is enabled in your browser. For Chrome or Firefox, go to Extensions and enable the IDM integration module. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, old data can cause conflicts. Step 4. Restart your browser after enabling IDM and clearing cache. Step 5. If IDM still doesn't detect YouTube videos, go to IDM Settings, then the File Types tab, and add MP4 and WebM if they're missing. Step 6. You can also try reinstalling IDM completely to reset settings. Step 7. Remember, some YouTube videos may have restrictions that prevent IDM from working. That's it. Your IDM should work smoothly with YouTube now. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.